Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out a really cool place, Sturbridge Village in Massachusetts. Sturbridge Village is a living history museum where you can wander freely and explore at your own pace. And let's travel back in time, like 200 years ago. It's a fantastic place to get a real sense of history. It's really cool to explore inside the buildings. You can even smell the wood. It's impossible not to feel like you're part of the place. One of the coolest things about this place is not just looking at all the buildings. You see folks and customers doing the jobs people did back then. It's a cool way to experience what life was really like.
This material, we're using logwood that would be imported from the West Indies, and that produces kind of like a gray-blue sort of color. So right now we have a batch of wool currently sitting to be dyed, that's dyeing right now, and then we have these two that are being hung up right now. I think they are beautiful. So yeah, that's what we're working on today. And the rest of these materials are just common materials that would be used during the time period for different colors. You have your local materials. You have your black walnut, which would just be found in your backyard. You have your sage, which is a plant that people could grow in their gardens. And everything else is imported. You guys can come closer if you want. You have your Brazil wood, which would be from Brazil. You have your madder root from the Middle East. You have fustic and cochineal. Cochineal is your dried beetles. And these are both imported from Mexico. Now all of these materials could be found at your local convenience store.
It's not like reading a book, it's seeing history come to life. I love these open-air museums where you can walk around freely, almost like you were living in that moment. You can go inside the buildings, explore, and even talk to the residents if you want. The village covers more than 200 acres and has over 40 buildings to explore. Sometimes it feels like you are inside an open world video game where you can walk around freely and chat with the NPCs. It's really cool.
Good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
Very well. How are you?
Good.
One of the hallmarks of early construction is you notice, come around the other side or behind me, you got diagonal braces in the frame that makes it much stronger.
Oh, yes.
Without them. Modern buildings don't tend to incorporate braces like they used in the past.
Wow, shaped by hand is so well.
Well, it's not perfect. I was building furniture, I'd be a lot more careful.
Yes, I know.
I'd be somewhat more careful, but for just an animal shed, it's not worth taking time to be too pretty.
Oh yeah, no, but it's still awesome.
Well, thank you. That's kind of you.
For me, as someone who's worked with the wood, it's amazing to see this kind of job. So fascinating. Walking around here, you get to see all kinds of things being made by hand.
But we have some examples over there that are very much more intricate and very.
Oh, the thing you're holding is a mold?
Yes, I rolled out a slab of clay and I put it in a plaster mold, I believe it is.
It's a great place to just walk around and enjoy the scenery. The place will really make you feel immersive. I absolutely love this place. If you like history, Sturbridge Village offers a nice adventure into the American past. It's a place where history isn't just learned, it's lived. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to like this video and subscribe it. I always try to make videos like this and I would love to have you with me in this journey. Thanks for watching.